Remote Start allows you to preheat or cool your 2021-2024 Cadillac Escalade before entering. It activates the engine and climate systems remotely. This feature enhances comfort and convenience, especially in extreme weather conditions. Remote Start is designed to be used safely and effectively. The first step is pressing the lock button, marked with a padlock icon, on your key fob. This secures the vehicle and arms the security system, which is crucial for activating the remote start sequence. If your vehicle is already locked, you can proceed directly to the next step. Your Escalade will run for a default duration of 10 to 15 minutes after remote start. To extend the runtime, press the remote start button again while within range. You can extend it up to 2 additional cycles, totaling about 30 to 45 minutes. To shut down remotely, press and hold the remote start button again. Once you're ready to drive, unlock the vehicle with the key fob. Then press the brake pedal to fully engage the ignition. This action will end the remote start session automatically, allowing you to drive as usual. Remote start will be disabled if the fuel level is low, the engine is already running, or if there are diagnostic issues like a check engine light. Always check local regulations regarding remote start due to emissions concerns. Electric or hybrid Escalade models may prioritize battery management. If remote start fails, first ensure the key fob battery is good and functioning properly. Next, check for any obstructions that might be blocking the signal between the key fob and the vehicle. Confirm that all doors are fully closed and the hood is securely latched, as these can prevent remote start activation. If problems persist after these checks, consult your Cadillac dealer for professional diagnostics and potential software updates. Keep your Escalade software updated via over-the-air updates or dealer visits to address bugs and improve remote start functionality. Future trends include enhanced smartphone app integration for easier remote start control, and AI-driven predictive starts that learn from your habits to automatically prepare your vehicle. Prioritize security updates to protect against cybersecurity threats in connected vehicles.